Okay, anybody that knows me knows I have to open this basket. GourmetGiftBaskets.com sent me some treats, but let's check it out. I know it goes to somebody else, and it will. Each little piece or half a piece. So let's check it out. Nice, cute, big blue bow. It's full of goodies. Paper. What other way to say Happy Easter than chocolate bunnies? So we have a chocolate Easter bunny. Oh, so yummy, oh, so good. And only 160 calories. But it has 2.5 servings. Yum, yum. Oh, smell the chocolate. Oh my goodness. Estate Bakery confetti sugar cookies. Oh, that looks good. Yum, yum. Oh, what do we have here in this sweet little package? Gummies. I got some gummies in the last basket I got. Celestial Sour Gummies. They're oh so good. Whoever you get a basket for would be so happy. And this is too adorable. And it is a big bag. Look how cute. Yum. And you can have 8 of these for only 110 calories. So I think I'm all about that. I mean, whoever I give it to won't notice that there's a few missing, will they? Anyway, love that. Let's see what else we have. We have some Hoppy Poppy. Let's get it out of the basket. This basket's so cute. And it can be used even after Easter. Okay, gourmet popcorn. Hippity hoppity gourmet popcorn. I love these colors. They're beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Who doesn't like a little bit of gourmet popcorn on Easter? Yeah, you can sit down and have all kinds of fun with this basket after Sunday school. And look, to round off the package is a sweet little fuzzy bunny. Oh. So with your Easter bunny and your gourmet popcorn and your jelly beans, a big bag of that, your confetti sugar cookies, your sour gummies, and your chocolate Easter bunny. How can you go wrong with this basket? Gourmet Gift Baskets, thank you so much. You've made my day. I hope y'all check them out. The links below. And remember to think about everyone you love this Easter, so they have something to chow down after Sunday school. Bye. Love y'all. I'm guilty. I know it's for a friend, but I can't help myself. My gourmet gift basket. I can't help it. Look at it's speaking to me. I'm saying you're being really, really naughty. those up. How sour are they? Alright, I should break it with my teeth. I'm so excited. Sour. Very good. Wowza. I have to give it a minute. So I might do a couple minutes. Like you don't want the one who loves to forget you. Those sour things that do it. The different flavors. That one's lemon. Knock you out of your chair. Okay. I shouldn't, but I am. I just bite his ears off? Girl, I did. I go wrong with chocolate. Oh, okay. Yum yum. But we're having all kinds of fun today. Let's check out the next sound. I'm sorry, friend, if you know who you are. Look at this big bag of jelly beans. I don't notice a couple missing. Let's see what flavors we want to try. I haven't had jelly beans in years. Okay, sorry if y'all hear the mowers. I wasn't going to wait any longer to open this basket. Looks like a chipmunk. Wow, I hadn't had sugar like this in probably a couple of years. That's a lot of sugar. Oh, it's so good. This little Tweety bird, Tweet, he did a good job on this jelly bellies. Yum, yum, yum. Actually, the jelly bellies make me think of my childhood. My grandma. We got one more thing to try out. I promise I'll put it all back together. Gourmet popcorn. And they have to use tape on this spot. On the corner. This will make anybody happy. Well, maybe with a little tape. Made me happy. Now I need to make somebody else happy. Check it out. GourmetGiftsBaskets.com. GourmetGiftBaskets.com. See you later. Happy Easter.